Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Muzz dating app not working on your phone. First, check your internet connection, because a weak or unstable network is one of the main reasons the app stops responding. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. You can also restart your router if you are using home internet, then open the app again to test it. If the problem continues, close the app completely and refresh its system processes. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps, then Muzz, and tap Force Stop. After that, reopen the app and check if it starts working normally. This helps clear small temporary issues that may be blocking the app. Next, make sure your app and phone software are fully updated. Open the Play Store or App Store and install any available updates for Muzz. Also check your phone settings for system updates and install them if needed, because older versions can create compatibility problems. If calls or location features are not working, it may be a permission issue. Go to your phone settings, find the Muzz app, and allow location access while using the app. Also enable microphone and camera permissions so voice and video calls can work without interruption. If nothing else works, clear the app cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupted files. Restart your phone afterward and try opening Muzz again. Thanks for watching.